Hi, welcome to Excelio.com. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to efficiently set up your housekeeping spreadsheet. Okay, the first step you need to do is you go to a starting date and then you input the starting date as 2014 year first and forward slash and month forward slash and say let's start 17. Okay, let's start from 17. Okay. Once you input your starting date and enter it, look how what are you gonna make a change, right? Okay, so what did you see over here?
All the days changed. They lined up with the dates as well.
Exactly, yeah, that's what happened, right? Okay. So second thing you need to do is, okay, once you input the starting date, you go to your PMS system, which is your reservation system, and see how many rooms has been booked, right? Okay, say for example, total room reserved. Okay, say you got 45. I'm just gonna give you some examples. You got 65. You got 75. Okay, you got 85. Whatever. Okay, so and then okay, that's the first and second, and let's talk about the third thing you gotta do, right? Okay, you go to option setting. Okay, pay period. What does it do?
All depending on how you give out your paychecks, depending if you're doing every second week or every 15 days.
Right, it's depending on your property, right? So property policy, whatever, you know. So we go by like I'm in Canada, so we go by 2 weeks. And then what about the regular hours? What does it do?
40 is classified as regular hours. Anything over 40 is overtime.
Right, but you can set you can input different like numbers down there. Because say I'm in BC in Canada, but say if you're in Alberta in Canada, they go by 44 hours. So which means up to 40 hours it counts as a regular time, and after that, that's overtime, right? Yeah. Okay, so now this is the part you're gonna need it, right? So morning shift and night shift. How many morning shift people is needed and how many night shift you're gonna need it, right? So you have, say you have, okay, you got, let's for example, you have 100 rooms property, right? And then you got out of 100 rooms, you got 15 rooms for night shift, and your total book all the way, say, okay. In the case like how many people you guys needed?
You would probably want to put about 10 for morning shift, maybe 5 for night shift.
Oh, that's too much. So, okay, so I think about 15 or 16 rooms for one person, right?
Okay.
So say 100 divided by 15 is what? 90. So 6 and 7, 7 or 8 people. Say let's put 7 people, and then you have some night shift. Say let's talk about 2, okay? Because you have 30 rooms to clean. Say, and then after you input, let's see what's gonna make a difference. Okay, so did you see the difference?
Yeah, you'll notice there under morning shift there is now 7 cells that you can put your employees' names in. And also on night shift, there's 2 cells where you can put your employees' names.
Yeah, so this part over here is all adjusted. So depend on like what option what option you take, right? So, and then after that, you put the employee name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. And you can choose like if she's full-time or part-time, whatever. Okay. And then now, this is how we're gonna arrange it, right? So you got rooms 45, 65, 75. Okay, how many you guys needed? I need 3. Okay, how many you guys needed? I need 5. Let's talk about 5. Okay, I need 6 people down there. Okay, so we're gonna input the number of people for each day. Right? How many people you're gonna need it, right? 13. You don't. Okay, you got 14 rooms for 1 people. 1. You might need 2. Okay, 2. 2. Okay, let's go by just like that. This is just a simple example, right? And then, say you need 3 people. 1. Once you choose X mark, X mark means what?
That means that they are working.
Alright, what about say if somebody requests time off?
You'd put the RTO in there.
Right. Or if somebody is on vacation.
You'd put the OB.
Okay, what if you make a mistake here? Well, you just click. Okay, I'm gonna go click on that and delete it. That's it. Okay. But here, if you're looking down here, say you needed 5 people, and you show for here. Take a look. 5 people. Because you haven't arranged anybody there, right? So I need the 1. These people has to come to work on 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright? Okay? So let's go on here the other one. Okay, you need the 5 people. Say 1, 2. These people has to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So once you have enough staff, this cell will go blank. Okay? Okay, let's take this one out. Okay? Delete it. What does it say? -1.
So that means you need 1 more employee to fill the spot.
Right. What if you do like that? Is it +1, right? So
You were overstaffed for that day.
exactly. So okay. So for each day, you do the same in the night shift too anyway. So okay. And then once you have all the employees' name, you click on summary report. Okay. That's it. Well, your table is set up different way, right? Okay. So say 17, A person work 8 hours. Okay, B person, okay, the next day she worked 9 hours. Okay, remember how we set up the option settings? Okay, so after 8 hours, that's counted as overtime, and after 40 hours, they count as overtime too, right? So I'm gonna put 9 hours, and then see it. Okay, how it make a change? You see the difference? Like 8, 8, 16, and 1 overtime. Let's put 10 hours. It still have 24 hours and 3 times overtime pay, right? Okay. So, you just keep going on like that, and you can, the way you're putting the hours is 7 hours and a half. How are you going to put 7.30? You go by exact the same. Okay. 7 hours and 15 minutes. 7.15. That's how I'm going to put it. Okay. And then, say a person she get paid $10 an hour. Okay. Once you put the hourly wage.
And it will just auto-calculate by itself for you.
Yeah. So, she's going to get paid for $432.50. Okay. So you do the same thing with that. Okay. And then now I show you something else on the top. Okay. Save button. Once you click on it, save bar, which means these data you just input is saved. Okay, okay. Or you can save it bar, which means
you can save it onto your computer, give it a name, and save it to wherever you would like.
Exactly. Yeah. And then what about your input in a database?
It will save it right onto your computer.
Right, exactly. This is more important than any other actually. So, say if you want to keep this part forever, say you just input in a database. Say, I just did it, right? Okay, so later on that day, so I want to check. Okay, say later a few months from now. Okay, I want to check who worked on the 18th. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I go to a starting date, 2014 and 08 and 18, right? And do the search.
And it will come right up for you.
Yeah.
right to that specific date that you wanted.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it changed, like,
So save you time from going through your computer.
Right. Okay. Okay. So other thing is printing function, right? If you go, if you print a detail, okay. I think what it's gonna show you is, so I don't know if I save pictures for that. Let me take a look. Not that one. Did I save it somewhere else? No, not really. Okay, if you print the detail, you will actually print out the your schedule, just the schedule part, up down to here, right? And then you can just print out, and then you can post in housekeeping department, right? And then if you print out the summary, what will show you is will show you how many hours they work and how many overtime, and then even like if you put in the hourly wage, it will show you how much they're gonna make, right? So maybe you can just submit to your supervisor or general manager, right, for that, right? Okay. I think that's about it, right? So okay, I think one last function you need to remember is, say, you can just start from the scratch, right? Just by using the clear content. Okay. Okay. Let's say if I click on this one, so let's see what happens. We'll just clear up everything up.
You can start right from scratch again for yourself.
Right. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, and alright, just to check out the other stuff from Excelio.com. Thank you.